Hello guys, welcome back to Byte Geek. If you keep seeing those annoying McAfee pop-up messages while you're working or browsing the internet, then don't worry, I'll show you how to get rid of McAfee pop-ups from appearing on your Windows computer in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, go to the System tab and then click on Notifications third option. Scroll down the list and check if you can find McAfee in the Application section. If it's there, simply turn it off to stop its notifications. After that, close the Settings window, then go to Windows Search and type Control Pane and open the Control Panel. When Control Panel window open, go to Programs and Features, then look for any McAfee applications. Sometimes McAfee gets installed automatically with third-party software, even if you didn't install it yourself. If you find it, right-click on it and choose Uninstall. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your system and McAfee pop-ups should now be gone. But after restart and you still see pop-ups ads, then open your browser. Next, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your Chrome browser and select Settings. When the Settings window opens, go to the Privacy and Security tab, scroll down and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. In the section labeled Allowed to Send Pop-ups and Use Redirects, check if there are any websites listed. If you find any, click on the three dots next to them and choose Remove. This will stop those sites from showing unwanted pop-up ads or redirecting you to other pages. After that, click on the three dots again at the top right corner. Go to Extensions and then click Manage Extensions. On this page, review all the installed extensions. If you notice any unfamiliar extensions or ones that appeared after installing another app, it's best to remove them. And that's it. This process will help you completely remove pop-up ads and stop them from appearing again. I hope this video helped you get rid of those annoying pop-ups. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.